Are you looking for the best digital calipers? In this video we will look at some of the best digital calipers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Clockwise Tools DCLR 0605 Electronic Digital Caliper. The Clockwise Tools DCLR 0605 Electronic Digital Caliper is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both home DIY enthusiasts and professional users. Its standout features include IP54 protection, ensuring resistance to dust and water, making it suitable for various working environments. The caliper boasts a fine polished stainless steel construction, providing not only a sleek appearance but also ensuring compatibility with magnets. With a measure range of 0 to 6 inches or 150 millimeters, this digital caliper offers precision with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch/0.03 mm and a resolution of 0.0005/0.01 mm, making it ideal for tasks requiring detailed measurements. The extra-large LCD display, 3/4 inch by 2 inches or 20 mm x 50 millimeters, enhances visibility, while the inch/metric/fractions conversion feature adds to its versatility. Number 2. iGaging Absolute Origin 0 to 8 inch Digital Electronic Caliper. The iGaging Absolute Origin 0 to 8 inch Digital Electronic Caliper is a precision measuring tool designed to provide accurate and reliable measurements. With a resolution of 0.0005 inch/0.01 mm, it ensures precise readings for various applications. The caliper boasts an impressive accuracy of 0.001 inch/0.02 mm, making it suitable for tasks that demand high precision. Featuring a generous measuring range of 8 inch/200 mm, this caliper offers versatility in measuring different objects with varying sizes. The device is equipped with IP54 protection, making it resistant to water drops and dust, enhancing its durability and usability in different working environments. Number 3. Vinca DCLA 0605. The Vinca DCLA 0605 is a high-quality stainless steel digital caliper designed for both home DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its construction involves fine-polished stainless steel, and the depthometer's groove has undergone a new processing technique, resulting in a better appearance, smooth sliding, and accurate measurements. With a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches or 150 millimeters, this caliper features a large display screen measuring 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches, 13 millimeters x 38 millimeters. The device boasts an impressive level of accuracy, with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.001 inch/0.03 mm and a resolution of 0.0005/0.01 mm or 1/128. It's worth noting that each digital caliper is fully calibrated before being sold, although this particular model does not come with a calibration certificate. For those requiring NIST certification, there's an alternative model available, the DCLA 0605C. Additionally, the DCLA 0605 is equipped with an RS-232 data transfer port, allowing users to connect it to a PC for data transfer. Number 4. Mitutoyo 500-752-20 Cool-and-Proof Digimatic Caliper. The Mitutoyo 500-752-20 Cool-and-Proof Digimatic Caliper is a precision measuring tool designed for accuracy and durability. Originating from Japan, known for its excellence in manufacturing, this caliper is a testament to quality engineering. With a sleek design and advanced technology, it provides precise measurements for various applications. The caliper is resistant to coolant, ensuring its reliability in challenging industrial environments. Its digital display enhances readability, and the coolant-proof feature extends the lifespan of the tool. The package dimensions of 11lx2hx5w inches indicate a compact and portable design, making it convenient for both professional and personal use. Number 5. Nikko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper. The Nikko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper is a versatile and high-quality measuring tool designed to meet various measurement needs. With its multifunctionality, it allows users to quickly switch between inch, fraction, and millimeter measuring modes, providing convenience during measurements. The electronic measurement range spans from 0 inch to 6 and 0 mm to 150 mm, offering precision with a resolution of 0.0005/1/128/0.01 mm and an accuracy of 0.001/0.02 mm. Constructed with a finely polished stainless steel body, the digital caliper ensures durability and reliability. The knurled thumb roller and locking screw contribute to smooth sliding and accurate positioning when taking measurements. The caliper is highly versatile, allowing calibration for measuring inside, outside, depth, and step with 2 sets of jaws and a probe, functioning as a vernier caliper.